Cars these days are pretty handy. They have all these high-tech special features that are supposedly going to make driving easier. But this time we're gonna test the technology on a newbie driver, someone who's just learning how to park actually. We have the Mazda 3 with us today, the all-new Mazda 3 that has a 360-degree camera. So it shows what the car looks like from all angles just using the camera. And Sam's challenge is she has to maneuver and park the car just using the camera.
Seriously? I hope this car is insured.
Whew, okay, this is your first official challenge with the Mazda 3 car using the 360-degree camera, which is very handy. I wish when I was learning how to drive, this already existed, because I think if you can master this 360-degree camera, you will be a whiz at parking. Okay, first, before we go, check everything. Is your seat the right height?
My seat is good. Everything's good. I've adjusted this prior.
Are your mirrors all right? Like, check your mirrors, see if you can see.
Wala ngang mirrors,
Nga pala, you can't see. You can also look at the top view here, so you can see like what's in front of you, what's behind you.
This is so weird. It's like, oh my god, it's parang, oh my god, nakakatakot. But I mean, I haven't hit anything yet.
Well, there's nothing also as well, so just try to keep yourself in between the lines. Yeah, so these red lines are there already to already warn you of what's ahead. But if the red touches something, you're okay pa. So ideally, you don't let the red lines become too close to anything like a car or a wall.
I'm gonna already make a left.
Etong mga yellow lines then, it helps tell you your direction. No, you're far pa. Look at your top view. You're okay.
There's a top view.
There's a top view.
Oy, ang galing ng top view.
There's a top view. So that's why you can see nga what's in front of you, behind you, and on your sides. Oh, you up.
I'm watching the red lines.
Yeah, watch your red lines.
It's like a video game, guys. Like, in fairness, I'm really doing it. I'm driving. This is actually a really fun challenge. It's like I really am driving a car, but it's like,
okay, wait, you have to stay.
I'm out of the lane.
You have to straighten up now. Straighten up. Like, make the car parallel with the two lines.
Holy.
Okay, just always refer to the top view. Always refer to the top view to see your left and your right. You're getting too close to the left side, so you just go straight. So parang glance from this camera to this camera, this camera to this camera.
It would really be so much easier for me to learn how to park if I had this camera for sure.
You're a bit close to the left. Watch your left side, watch your left side. Straighten your wheel again. Yeah, make your wheel straight. You're awfully close on the left side. Woo! Buti na lang insured yung car. So you're at the end of the roundabout now, so you're gonna go back where we came from. Okay, keep going. Stop. Wait. Before you turn your wheel, sagarin mo pa siya. You see this red line? Sagarin mo siya konti. Stop. Now reverse. So these are your instructions first. So now that we're on reverse, just keep your foot on the brake. You're gonna turn your wheel to the right, and then the butt of the car is gonna adjust this way. Okay, now let go of the brake a little bit. More pa, until you have enough turning space here. Okay, stop. And then put it on drive. And then release the brake while you're turning to the left. Turn your wheel na all the way. You have to, parang engage your spatial skills. So you got it. You're getting awfully close to the left!
Did I hit it?
No, they banged the car. Wait. How do I get out? Wait. Let me see nga. We're good. Okay, you got it. You're clear. Whew! Actually, you were like, there's this much space. So,
okay, so
it just looks like you're really close. Let's get the out of here. Okay, watch this.
I like driving blind.
You already did a good job. Straighten your wheel. Hey, wait, stop! Okay, so I know what you're forgetting. When you do the roundabout, you also have to turn your wheel straight again. You just don't keep like turning. You're gonna crash into the roundabout. Okay. Perpendicular parking using the 360-degree camera. Let me try doing it. Mukhang this is like hard for a newbie driver.
I can see like there are little signals that show what direction your wheels are turning, and so as a student driver, it's almost like you have a visualization of how your car is moving, which makes learning quite easy. Finally some rest.
Why is there a person crossing? Hindi, kaya ko to. Wala ko. Ayan, naka-align na tayo, diba? Align! Am I moving the wheel to the left? The line's going to the left. I'm moving the wheel to the right. The line's going to the right. But what I want to do is put these two yellow lines in the middle of the cones and then hit that guy. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to hit that son. It's like a constant battle with yourself. How's my left? How's my right? Then you can also look at this. See, so the red. It's a lot to remember.
No, but this camera makes parking so much easier talaga. Just to have the 360 view of your car is amazing!
So now I am straightening the car up and aligning it equally with the yellow lanes. And now that the car is straight, pwede ko nang bawiin. This is what they say when make bawi. So you turn your car, turn the wheel, and then make it straight. Let go of the brake.
Good job.
That's it.
Woohoo! Okay guys, so that was a super fun challenge, super scary, but I think that I really learned a lot and I love the 360 cam of Mazda. But yeah, if you guys have any new challenges that you might want us to do, maybe you guys should challenge B, do comment below and like our video, subscribe to our channel if you love our videos, and of course don't forget to push the notification button to make sure that you get notified when we upload new videos and content to our channel.
And you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram for exclusive content, Riding in Cars with Girls.
And Sambie Rodriguez.
And Bianca _King on Instagram. We out.